Hey guys, it's Anna from Anna Travels. In my honeymoon haul, I actually decided to do a giveaway of a Disney Riviera pin. So tonight is the drawing. I had originally wanted to do a live stream, but because I had a super crazy weekend and I'm really exhausted, so it was just easier for me just to do a drawing instead of doing a live stream. I am going to do a little bit of an unboxing before we get into the live stream. I've already pre-cut it. I want a giveaway before my honeymoon and my wedding from Singer Family Adventure. I completely don't remember. I mean, this is like anything like before the wedding, my brain has like kind of like gone kaput. So I don't even remember what giveaway it was, so I don't even remember what's in this box. So it's gonna be like a brand new discovery for both of us, because I kind of forgotten what's in, like what she put in here in this giveaway. So there's a note, but I'm gonna read that privately. The corgi has decided to itch himself against the tripod. Can you not do that, corgi? Yeah, can you not do that? I don't like to read notes, like, especially unless it says you can read it. So, first thing I noticed, she got the corgi something. So cute. I think he'll appreciate it, because he definitely likes food. So, oh, it's a snow globe. And in the note, she said one of the snow globes broke, so she's including something else. Oh, they're mystery snow globe, or some of them. Oh, two of them are like exclusives, and the rest are not mystery. Oh, it's taped. That's why I can't. Oh shoot! I'm about to break the next one. Oh, it's Pluto. That's so cute. It's gonna be like all stuff that's gonna go in my Christmas box. Oh, it's these little bobbleheads from Rise of Skywalker. I'll do it at the end. Little sticker. I've actually had this in my guest room since we got back, and I've just been so busy trying to catch up on stuff, and life's just been a little crazy. Let's see what pen. I'm curious. Hold on. I want to know now. Oh, there's more. Two. You know, if this takes long, I might just separate the video and just do something else. Let's see. Oh, it's Pinocchio. You know, I haven't watched Pinocchio in forever. Super cute pin. Oh, it's Jiminy Cricket. You can see that. He's kind of tiny, but really super cute. So it's funny, I've entered a few of Valerie's giveaways, and I've won two, so we were joking that I should, she should, do the lottery, and I'll enter when she's drawing the lottery. Oh, I saw. Oh, I forgot if I showed the box. So it's these Happy Holiday Hot Cocoa pins. I know it doesn't smell like hot cocoa. I just was like, it would be cool if they were like scratch and sniff. Oh, this one's super pretty. Really like that one. Super cute. Oh, and a nice, awesome, is this? Oh, it's Stitch. Yes, it's a Stitch fleece throw. Definitely gonna use this. I love throws, and it's so soft. Hopefully the dog doesn't steal it for himself. It's like Christmas all over again. Oh, that's right. It's supposed to be wishables. So there's Santa, Mickey, reindeer, snowman, and a gingerbread man. There's nothing to eat. Indy's like, food? Let's see which one we got. Yay, we got Mickey, Santa Mickey. So adorable. Look at his little coat, his little hat. Indy, it's not food. Even though, like I said, it's not. Don't we bite his foot? Indy's like trying to bite his foot off, but I think he realized it's not food, so he stopped messing with it. Oh, it's another Wishables. Are you gonna bite this one too, Indy? Oh, it's Donald Duck. So, really cute too. It's nothing to eat. He's like so like, it's food. Oh, and here's the Star Wars lanyard she mentioned. Oh, that is super adorable. I really dig that. I could put my badge in here, my work badge. So cute. Well, thank you, Valerie. I think that's it. Yep. Thank you for that. Oh, I forgot about this one. I didn't. So, I hope you guys have had like a good New Year so far. It's been super crazy busy and work has been like insane for us. So, and then I got some extra duties. And these are the ones that you can get out of this little box series. Indy, let's see what we get. I don't like the Knights of Ren. I thought they were kind of weird. I want Dio. Oh shoot. And of course it's a Knights of Ren. Oh well. I have some Star Wars buddies that would probably like this. That's actually cool. I mean, because you can't really see the detailing in the movie. I didn't realize how, like, his hood goes back. Anyways, you guys want to know if you won. So we're going to do the drawing. Where'd I put... Oh. My life's a mess right now. So we're going to draw... Indy's like, food? So... we'll see who wins. Oh, and the winner is Mickey's Girls. So Mickey's Girls, I don't know if the text will even show up on the camera. You are the winner, so I will contact you and I'll get your pin shipped out. Where'd I put the pin? Oh, right here. So awesome pin. I really love it. I mean, and if you ever have a chance to stay at Disney Riviera, like I super want to one year, one day. But yeah, so I have one for my collection, and now Mickey's Girls has one. So that is pretty cool. I do know that they watch she comments on my Facebook. I'm not my Facebook, my YouTube. And she has a pretty awesome channel. So if you haven't checked out her channel, go check out her channel as well. Her and her daughter. So yeah, so I think that's, I know it's a pretty short video, but I wanted just to do this raffle, and then so I could cook dinner and go to bed and then keep on trucking with this week. This week's gonna be crazy, but I have nothing to do this weekend, so I'll probably get some more editing done, and you know, I get to ride, and then also just sleep in for once. So until next time, guys, I just hope you like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the future videos. Take care. Bye.